Hello there, this is Derek again and welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you my favorite feature on iOS 14 in iMessage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to iMessage like this, and the first I want to talk about is how you can pin your messages. So you can just pin a message like this and then you're able to just reach the people right away, and it's quite cool. You can just press hold and then pin, or you can just swipe to the right side like this and then you pin it. So it's very cool. And I think right now if you have a message like this, you can just hit on the message right away and then you can just hit on reply. You see right there, and then you'll be able to just reply the message right away, and the person is actually going to see it like this. So you see right here the reply. So I was able to just reply the person like this, and it's quite cool because initially you're not going to be able to just reply. You would have to just come here and then copy and then you paste, and you would have to just paste and then give some space or something, and you'll be able to just type whatever you want to type, and that was very boring. It made it very boring. So I think with this update it's actually going to compete with WhatsApp, and yeah, I think anyone here would actually bear with me. So if you're in a group too, which I'm not in one, you can just now hit up with people by adding at and then their names, probably at whoever you feel you want to text, and they're going to get a notification and they're going to come into the group and then just chat and all. So I think this is my greatest feature, and I'm going to look through my phone, and if there's any other feature I think I want to share with you guys, I'll actually share with you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then share to anyone who has an iPhone and would have to just update their phone. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.